KC rolling dirty, wrenches in the backseat. Durango loud, got it growling like a bad beast. Left the shop in 16, said screw that lease. Now he's wrenching mobile grease on his jeans, capiche? East and west to the Idaho pines. Lone Star logo shine brighter than the road signs. YouTube king spinning boats like a cyclone. If your car's broke, he'll fix it on the damn phone. Outlaw wrenches riding through the plains. KC's a name, fixing cars in the rain. Big blue Dodge, Lone Star in the game. Ain't no brick and mortar. He's wild, untamed.
He's wild, untamed. KC ain't fancy, he's covered in grime, but that boy can make your busted engine chime. No suits, no ties, just steel toe boots.
You like this job?
I love it.
How come?
Actually, I'll take a break. I've been doing it forever. I started when I was 18 at the dealerships. Worked in multiple shops, opened my own shop, and then when COVID hit, we weren't allowed to do shit.
Yeah, that was wonderful.
Well, I found out they couldn't tell me what to do if I wasn't in the shop. So in 2016, well, we started the company I started the company in 2016, and then 2020 we went full mobile. And I've been doing it ever since. I love it. Honestly, I don't have constrictions of an office. I don't have to sit in a building. I don't have to deal with people coming to me and bitching. All I have to do is sit at home, answer the phone, and I pick and choose what I do. And now I own 15 of these companies. So,
good for you.
Yeah, so I stay busy. It's great. I'll finish this cigarette and then I'll pull it out through the bottom. Yeah, we started in Seattle and then moved over here in 2022. Yeah, I can't do it.
I'm going back to Vegas, and when my doctor lets me, I could unretire.
I wouldn't mind moving to Vegas. I don't gamble, I don't do drugs, but I drink a lot. I'm like, that might fuck me up.
Everywhere.
Yep. Yep.
I gamble if it's there. I can't really drink because of my medications. Might increase, yeah.
I'm the kind of guy, like, if I gamble, I might put 20 bucks in a machine or put 20 bucks on a blackjack table. If I lose it, I walk away.
Casey rolling through, got grease on his sleeve. Big blue Durango, got tricks up his weave. Brick and mortar, nah, left that in the dust. Too easy sing hit, said freedom a bus. Eastern Wash Plains to North Idaho Pines. Fixing engines, driving dead lines, crossing state lines.
Lone Star logos, windows all blue. KC's mobile, yeah, he'll come to you. From Spokane to Coeur d'Alene, turning wrenches, driving insane. KC's rolling, KC's true. Lone Star's riding straight to you. He don't need no shop, now he's fixing on site. From sunrise hustle to them long tail nights. YouTube blowing up his name in the mix. KC the outlaw, master of quick fixes. Big blue rides through snow, rain or shine. Durango rumbling straight down the line.
Left the shop grind, left the clock choke. Now he's living wild, freedom's no joke.
Lone Star logos, windows all blue. KC's mobile, yeah, he'll come to you. From Spokane to Coeur d'Alene, turning wrenches, driving insane. KC's rolling, KC's true. Lone Star's riding straight to you. Tools in the back, stories in the cab.
Radio humming, fuel meter drab.
KC's got the grit, the know how to fight.
Big blue house through the northwest night.
Lone Star logos, windows all blue. KC's mobile, yeah, he'll come to you. From Spokane to Coeur d'Alene, turning wrenches, driving insane. KC's rolling, KC's true. Lone
Where are the keys at?
Right here.
There you are.
Fucking A. I was like, there's no way he's screwed with that, right? It just died on its own.
Dies on its own. Anything mechanical that can fail will fail.
That's kind of like Murphy's Law at this point with all this that's happening to me, so.
Yeah, no, I get it. Anything that can happen will happen. For sure. Whew.
There is one law on this earth that you cannot break.
What's that?
The law of gravity.
Oh, that's true.